In NCAA Season 99 table tennis, one name resonated throughout the entire event that took place at the Emilio Aguinaldo College Gym. Hans Dominic Lucero of the Benilde Blazers was absolutely amazing as he dazzled everyone in attendance, including his opponents, after winning all of his 10 matches, 9 singles and 1 doubles.
Grabe po yung preparations na ginawa po namin. Halos isang taon na po kami nagtitraining para lang sa NCAA na ito.
Lucero won both of his singles matches against Peter Carlson Mercado 11-7, 12-14, 11-1, 11-5, and Matt Andrew Ramos 11-7, 11-3, 11-7 to lead Benilde to a 3-1 victory over San Beda University in the finals. For his extraordinary exploits, Lucero was awarded Rookie of the Year and Most Valuable Player. Benilde head coach Bong Palermo was aptly named Coach of the Year, while Mapua University's Raul Malien III was named Freshman of the Year.
Maraming salamat at nakakuha na naman kami ng championship ngayong taon na to. Salamat sa mga players na talagang nag-training.
Meanwhile, the University of Perpetual Help made history by capturing the women's and juniors titles for the first time ever.
Narating ng mga bata ang stage na ito, pinaghirapan nila puyat gabi-gabi.
Christian May Santillan led the Lady Altas to victory in the finals over San Beda 3-2, earning her 3 awards: Rookie of the Year, Freshman of the Year, and Most Valuable Player.
Kanina po, from 2-1 po, tinapangan po talaga namin na sabi namin kaya pa to, kaya pa namin ibangon at mananalo kami kasi alam namin yung hirap na pinagdaanan po namin bago pumabot to.
Santillan, in a post-match interview with GMA Regional TV News, mentioned that she was inspired to win the title by her late father. In juniors play, Gerald Aguilar starred for Perpetual as he won both his singles matches to help his team to a 3-1 victory over San Beda.
4 years po kami nag-training. Pinagandaan po namin to ng sobra. Kaya buti naman po nagbunga yung paghihirap at araw-araw namin pag-training.
Like Santillan, Aguilar also became Rookie MVP of the tournament. Kirby Collis was Coach of the Year for both the women's and juniors teams of Perpetual.
Next season, panigurado, magiging mas exciting kasi sa ngayon, 6 na school lang yung nag-participate. Gawa nga ng, dahil nga sa pandemic, medyo hindi nakapag-ano ng mga athlete. 6 na school lang yung nakapag-prepare. Pero next year, 10 school na yan. Kaya patindi na yung maghahandang gagawin.
And that, mga kapuso, was your NCAA Season 99 Table Tennis Recap.